little video for an option on the SL Series KM4YB bug keys, and it's the ebony knob. That's an option for the SL Series. It's either for the right angle or for the inline 170, 171s, and then this is the 190 and the 191s. And the ebony knob, highly polished and lathe, turned and then buffed on a buffer, and it comes with a mother of pearl inlet pearl dot. You usually see these on guitars for the fret markers. And for those who wish to have the old feel of a knob for your forefinger, and then of course the paddle for your thumb, and it's an option available for $20 upcharged on the key. Ebony's getting scarce, especially good ebony where there's no streaks in it. I don't dye the wood, so there it is. Again, a short little video, and thanks for viewing KM4YB.